Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Recommends. In this video we are going to learn PKI, and to learn PKI I'm going to give you new software or it's open source software to get familiar with the certificate and key management around PKI. So let's start to get installation with your first CA, that is open source. Just hit in the Google open XCA and just open the first site, that is from Hohenstein D XCA. This is a German based company and it's a open source software. Click on download and you can download this package from the XCA. For XCA, that is the latest version is 2.9. I just downloaded. Once you get the software downloaded, click on the installer and just start with the installation. You'll see Windows protecting your PC because it's open source software, and Microsoft Defender is not allowing and asking you install on your own risk. So we'll install. It's open source software. There is no harm to your PC. Now click on next and you can see we are starting the installation of XCA. Click next and over here we can customize the application whatever you want to install. We'll install all the component. Click on next and just hit the install button. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. And our CA is installed now and you can start the CA. Now you can see on the screen this is the GUI of our XCA. So I'm just make it in full screen. Now we are going to create a CA certificate first, or you can say we are going to create a CA first. So first thing what we need to do, go to certificate and over here we need to click on new CA, new certificate, and we are going to create a basically over here certificate for CA, and we have chosen the algorithm for signature SHA-256, and here I'm giving name for my CA, take recommendation CA, country name, state, locality, organization name, recom, information security, common name we need to give to the CA certificate. So common name, I'm going to use the same name as my CA name, and here I'm going to put email ID as at techrecom.in. And first I will create a private key. I don't have any key as of now, so I can create my own key for CA. So I'm giving the key name as a techrecom recommended CA and create. Now the CA private key is already generated now and that is selected. Now under extension you can specify the type of the certificate, CA certificate. And then QSs over here you can define what are the things this certificate can do. Certificate sign I will choose as all, and now our CA is created and you can see the private keys and the certificate is present. Now we'll generate one CSR request to get signed with our own CA. Let's create a new request. Unstructured name, subject I'm specifying as a test certificate, and again I'm giving the all parameter for the certificate, and let's say common name I'm giving again test certificate, or let's say test for test, it's fine. Let's say abc at test.in, And to get to create a CA key pair, we'll create a new key pair over here with the name test and just creating. And now the key pair is generated, RSA key pair. Extensions, this is the end entity certificate. Key uses, whatever you want to specify, that you can specify over here. And then I'm going to use for web server authentication. I'm randomly selecting all these options. Let's click OK. And now you can see the certificate signing request is generated. Now you need to click on that certificate signing request and click on sign. And once you click on sign, over here you need to choose your own CA. Instead of self-signing, you can create this certificate request will get signed by our root CA, or you can say issuing CA. And if you want to add any extension, you can add it from here by clicking apply extensions, extend key uses. Over here you can modify, and I'm applying all and click on OK. The certificate will no longer valid than the signer. This is probably not what you want to adjust the date. Yeah, and we adjusted the date. Now you can see this certificate is signed, and this all details of your CA certificate, key uses, and the comments. And it's signed on 22 December by TechRoom CA. Now we'll export this certificate just for verification purpose. I'm putting on my documents, and now you can see I have exported the certificate. And you want to see the exported certificate, you can see over here test CSR, more apps. We don't have any app to install, or we can simply make it to rename to CAR so that we can easily verify the certificate. Now you can see the test certificate and all these details. And you can see the certificate issued by the CA, test under by CA. Hope you enjoyed this video and you are get familiar with how to create a CA and how to issue the certificates. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.